All right, so we're continuing our journey towards a better understanding of the base 12 version of pi by creating a diagram that generates all 360 degrees using base 12 geometry. And from this geometry, the base 12 version of pi is going to emerge. So we're on the third ring of the diagram, and in the last video, I showed you how to find the points where these small circles are sitting. So we placed all these small circles on the circumference of the third ring of the circle that we're working on. So in this video, I want to show you how we find the midpoints between these small circles, because those are the new lines of degree as we go through the process of finding new degree sections for each ring of the diagram. So this idea of finding midpoints is an important one to know the process. So what we're going to do is simply start by showing you how to find the midpoint between 2 points. So what we do is just draw, I'm going to make 2 points, and then to find the midpoint between them, we set our compass. We're going to use a compass. We set the distance of the compass to the same distance as the distance between the 2 points. So we put one end of the compass on one point, one on the other, and then we make an X on one side of the positioning of the points, and then on the other side. And then we simply connect the points that have been created by those 2 X's. We have our straight line. And if you think about it, that's probably why our division symbol looks the way that it does, because that represents the dividing of the distance between 2 points. So we're just going to take that same process and go to the diagram. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put our compass down on the center point of one of the small circles, then the other side of the compass on the center point of the other small circle, and then we make an X on one side of those 2 circles. And really, we only need to make one X, because from there we can simply connect that point to the center point of the entire diagram. We draw our straight line, and now we've created a new section of degrees. So that's basically the process, and we're going to be using that process throughout the creation of the diagram as we continue. It's not always going to be just between 2 small circles or a short distance. Sometimes the gaps between the degree lines is quite large, and so we use a combination of finding the midpoints for the degree lines and then twinning the degree line, finding the positioning of the 2 circles on either side of the degree line. Then we find some more midpoints and sort of go back and forth between those 2 processes in order to establish all of the degree lines for each ring of the diagram. So we go here, we're going to see we're on the third ring, so we're dividing 26 now by 3 times 4, which in base 12 is 10. So 26 divided by 10 is 2.6. So this third ring of the diagram, we've divided the overall circumference of the circle into sections of 2.6 degrees. So basically that's it. I'm going to leave it there for this video. Now we know another step in the process of how to create this diagram for 360 degrees. In the next video, we'll just continue with those processes. So hope you can join me for that. Thanks for watching.